Welcome to the channel. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to bring you a brand new tutorial on how to design a 3D logo from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or looking to enhance your design skills, this step-by-step guide will help you create stunning 3D logos that will make your brand or project stand out. We'll be diving into the tools, techniques, and tips you need to get started. So grab your creative energy and let's bring your vision to life in 3D. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any future design tutorials. Let's get started.
Good evening. Welcome to today's class. So we are going to learn 2D design, 3D logo design. So before now, you must have installed your Pinterest, your remove background, and your Pixlr. So first of all, let me take you to the Pinterest. You have to know what it is for. Just search for it. So just select it. It's already open in my own. So once you select it, you sign up with your email address. I'm already signed in already, so you need to sign up with your email address. So when you sign up with your email address, you come to the search button and say, so the reason why we need this Pinterest is so that we can download some images for our design. There are so many logo image designs that are in Pinterest that you can download for free. So but first of all, make sure you sign up with your Gmail account or any account. So when you sign up, you go to search. So type on search images for logo design, images for logo design. So search, you can see so many images. So you just keep on scrolling until you see. This depends on what your customer wants you to design for him or her. Like this one now is an image for a tailor. So but if the person did not specify, or you can say images for a logo design for salon, for barbing salon. You can see. So some are not logo design, so you just ignore them. You can choose anyone, but choose the one that is not customized, like all these ones that is not customized. So you can see like this one. You can see this one. Don't like this one has a name already, don't choose it. And see it like this one is just fashion. You can choose it if you like. You see this one. So but in the sense that your customer did not give you a specific, so if your customer give you a specific design that they want their logo to look like, do you understand? You just search and select the one you want. Understand? Search and select the one you want. You can see them. You can see this one. You can see it. You can see it. You can see this one. So let's just install anyone, download anyone that we like. And this one, you can see that they created with this one. So let's just click on this one. You click on this three dots that is here. They allow me to download because I've already signed up. If you don't sign up, they will not allow you to download. So sign up. So I download. So image has been downloaded. you can search again for anyone. So if you want to design with initial, maybe someone's business name, so you can write image design. Image design for logo with can say other clothings. You can just say A and C. A and C. Other clothings. So you just search for it. You can see A and C. You can see A and C. You can see it. So let's go for this one. So A and C. So you can go for this one or this one. It depends on the one you like. You can still do it for any other initial that you like. You can see A and C. You can see it. So just go ahead and download anyone. So let's take this one. Then we download. So that is how to use your Pinterest to look for logo design. So now that you already have your logo design image, so we are now going to go to background remover. So you search for it. You can see it here. Click on remove background. This one is simple. Just upload the image you want to remove. Go to my app. The image I want to remove. So this pins. So which one do I want to remove? You can choose any one. So I want to remove this one. You allow it to load. So you allow it to load. So the background has been removed. So don't go to this download HTTP. If you go there, they are going to ask you to pay. So just go to normal download. So it's already downloaded. That is how to use your. So that is how you get your logo image design downloaded without background. So now that is it for now. So the next thing is, let's go to the Pencil Lab. So it's time for the Pencil Lab. That is where we are going to design our logo. That is what I used to design my logo to. So Pencil Lab, search for it. I hope you have installed it. It's here. Click on it. So you can see the interface. This is how it looks like. So we want to design. First of all, you have to delete this new text. Delete it because you don't need it now. Click on delete. See delete up. Delete it. So it's not free. Then that's our logo that will remove the background. That's our design image. You bring it in this place. They put plus. Click on plus and select it. Then you can see text, you can see current date, sticker, shapes from gallery. If you want to draw, then you click on draw, but if you want to import it, go to gallery. As you can see, that is the last thing that we did here. This recent one, that is it. You select it. So when you select it, you can choose any shape you want. I prefer to use circle. Click on circle and adjust it. Can adjust it. Then after adjusting it, you click on good, so you can see it. If you want to move it, just put your hand at the I'll be moving it to anywhere you want. So remember, this is the logo image. Some people, this is only what they want as their logo, while some people would like you to write their business name. So if it's only this type of thing the person wants, you just adjust it. If it's only this one, make it bold. What color did the person tell you that he or she wants for his design? I don't know the color, but you should find out before designing anything for anybody, the person's preferred color. So if you want to add color to it, just click on this place and see this place, click on it and check. Highlight your object first. Please come again. So highlight your object first and click this place. Then you can see all the things you can use. If you want to copy the image and make it 2, see it's 2 already now. If you want to make it 2, make it. If you don't want, leave it. That is how to copy. Everything is stated there, so just delete one. Yes. So select it again. If you want to, if there is any other thing that is there and you want to bring this one to front, if you want to take it to back, any position, which position do you want? Is it like this? Is it like this? Is it like this? Is it like that? So any position you want to place it, you can use this to position it. You can see, you can use it to position it, or you use your hand to drag it to wherever you want, or you use this thing to reduce it. You can see, you can use it to reduce it. You can see it. So but make sure it's in the middle. Make sure it's in the middle, because the person does not want you to add any text to it. Do you understand? So highlight it. Before you do anything on this place, you must highlight it. If not, it won't work. So if you want to size, you can enable the size. You can see, if you reduce it, instead of using your hand to do it, you can use this resize. You can see it. If you enabled it, it will go. If you don't enable it, it will remain like that. You can see it's enabled. You can see it is enabled. So you click on good. Then color. What color do you want? You want to enable color? You can see it's already changed for itself. If you don't like this red color, you can go to gradient, change the color to anything you want. You can see it. You can use gradient color depending on the color the person told you that they want. If you don't like it, you just go to gradient. Means maybe you are combining colors, but if you don't want to combine color, just click on this first one, choose anyone. So choose any color, or you add more colors. Do you understand? So if the person says blue, just click on that blue and select.
Yes, Amanda, don't eat my biscuit. Don't eat my biscuit.
So you can see it. You cancel it. It goes back. But if you like it, you continue. You understand? So let's use So let's look for a color. I enable the color. It's red, okay. I will use a gradient color and select gradient. So you can select here. We are going to show you how do you want the color to be. So this is the red color. If you don't like this color, you can go back to color, use a different color. If you use black, some people like black, you can use white. This gradient means if you want to mix the color. So sometimes logos are not usually like that, but if you want to use it, you just click on gradient. You can choose. If you don't like any of this color, you can see them. If you don't like it, you can go here, select another one. So when selecting, if you want it to be on one side, you can see how I set this one like this one like this. If you don't like this color, you just can choose the color you want. Whatever you are doing, you just go back and check the image and see how this one looks. You can see it. So but on that our design, let me bring in that our design so that we'll be looking at it, the design that we have in mind. So let me bring it in so that I'll be looking at it and be creating. So this is the design. So we use blue. Sorry. So let me change it to that blue, that pure blue. That is what we use. I just scroll, click on blue. So okay, so you can see it. So another thing I want to add stroke. I want to add stroke. Watch how it looks when you add stroke. Enable. You can see it. If you want the line to be thicker, you can increase it. If you don't want, you can leave it like that. So this one now is, you can see how it is. You can see it. So let's go ahead and put our text. AD collection. AD collection. So let's go ahead and add AD collection. Go to your plus, put text, carry your text down, double click it and type AD clothing. Say clothing. So AD clothing, click OK. So just double click it. Deep loading. So when you bring it, you adjust it, you increase the size, click on the thing, click on font. So click here, click on font. So select the font you want. So this is the Pencil Lab. They add clothing. So increase the image font, increase the size, can increase it, make it to look audible. Then so after increasing it, you go and add font. So font is very necessary in 3D designing, in 3D designing. So you can choose this, you can choose any of the fonts, you like. As you are changing them, you look up, you'll be seeing how they look. So most of the times clients will tell you, this is the font I want. So this is it. Now you can add your color. I've showed you how to add color, and remember I told you that if you want to select something, once you click on the alphabet, click on this A here. If you want color on this image, click on this place, so you can select color. But for alphabet, select here, click A, then you see size. I've already increased the size, change the color. So I've showed you how to use colors. Either you use normal color or you use gradient, mixture of colors. So, and this is the one I use for the design I did earlier. This particular one we are using, so that is the one I use. So now is the time to add. If you want to use 3D rotate, you can click on it. If you want to rotate your image or anything, if you want to rotate it, you can see it, but I don't need it, so I will deselect it. If you want to use mask, this mask is if you want to clean something, or maybe you draw you want to clean it. You can see how the thing clean. If you want to clean anywhere you draw the thing and go, it will clean. Anywhere you take it, it will clean. You can see it. If you click good now, it will go off. You can see it. That is the work of this one, this mask. You can use it to, it's also used for designing different things. So I don't need this, I'll undo. So I go back again to my text. I go. You want to position it, you can use any position of your choice. You want to use this one up, this down, this size, so anyone you want. I've already aligned it. I like it the way it is. So if you want texture, you can choose. any of the texture you want from your image. I don't need any other texture, so this is okay for me. So go back. So you want to add stroke, you want to curve it. It's either you curve it like this or you curve it like that, but I don't need it. But those are the things. So when you are doing, you can be practicing it and design it in any way you like. Okay, so I don't need it, I need it like that. So you can use stroke. If you enable stroke, you can see how it is. You can see how it is. You can reduce it. Then you can put color. I don't need all that, so I need to put some strokes. Press OK. You can see how it is. So there are so many things. Then you can put background. If you enable it, you see background. You can choose background color. You can choose any color for your background. You can do so many things. You can use white. You understand? But I don't need to add any background color, so I cancel. So you can use a 3D rotate. How do you want it? You want it curved like this, you want it like that, you want it like this, or do you want it turned like this, or do you want it turned like that? I just want it normal. Cancel. So you can change it to 3D text. You can see how it is. It's more bold now. You can see it. So when you are doing your own, just be checking so many things here. It's a very user-friendly app. Very user-friendly. So I didn't put it, I'll remove it. So that is all for the designing. Remember, I added font, and I added font. I changed the color, and I added stroke, and I increased the size. That is what I did on the image. You can see. So let's now add. I've downloaded my icons and remove the background. So let me just quickly add them. Go to I have them already, so let me look for them. So I have a call. I've removed the background, put it in circle. So just reduce it. This is for call. I reduce it. So let me add the one for Instagram. I'll just reduce it. Undo. So I just reduce it. So I go to my text. So let me send you this one and continue, because I don't want to take the time to pass. So now you have already added your Instagram and your call icons. So just put your text, click on text, drag it down, so you can use edit clothing. So you sorry so you type small letter AD clothing, AD clothing .ng. Change it to small cap, AD clothing .ng. So click OK. So you can adjust it, but if you like the size like that, you can leave it. Carry this one, shift it like this. So you can change the font. Anytime you want to do your 3D, you must change font. You must change font. So change your font. You can use this one. Okay. So let me bring our image, our sample image. Let me know the color I use. So I use black. So I add my color. Change my color to black. So I now add phone number. Go to plus. Put your text. I can put your text. Drag it down. Phone number. I can just type any phone number I like. Provided is 11. So press OK. So I can just adjust it. Make sure both of them enters. All this one. All this one. I just hope you are seeing what I'm doing. So you can also change the font of this one to the same font. So you can change it to the same font. Same font. Press OK. Then change the color to the same color, black. Close it again. So you can see it. Make sure this one is closer. I'm not touching it. Then reduce this one more. So it will not be bigger than the main logo, the logo name. It's not supposed to be bigger. Reduce it more. Take it closer. You can add the background if you like. So you can add background if you want. You can add background if you like. Take it close. So you can see it now. If you like, you can add background in all this. This is what I mean. You can add background. on the alphabet. Can change the color, you see it, but I don't need background. So I bold this one, make it bold. I bold this one. And so bold. So this is it. So let me delete this. So this is our interface. So I can now, before you save, you have to remove it from background, because if you want to do mockup, you don't do mockup together with background. So you just click on these two rectangle down here, click on this transparent, so it's become a transparent logo. You can save the design. So for our 3D mockup, that is the main cocoa that will give you that 3D shape that you usually see. So for us to do it, I have sent you a file. With that file, you are going to install this particular app, this one, Visa, not this one, this one that has something like a basket. So you are going to use it. This is because if you go to Google Google Play app, you go to Play app, you can never see the app we are using to do we are using to do that 3D mockup, unless you use photo something. I'm not using that one, but this particular app is the app you need to install the app we are going to use to design our 3D logo mockup. So I've sent you a file. When you click on that file, you have to allow it in your setting. They will tell you that it's not secure, but you should allow it. So if you allow it, it will direct you to install this particular app, this Bazaar app. So once you install this Bazaar app, let me show you how you are going to use it to install the app, the PhotoG app that we need for 3D mockup. So first of all, let me uninstall my own PhotoG. So this is the shape of the PhotoG. You can see it. You can see the PhotoG here. This is the shape. So let me uninstall my own so that I will take you through. I will take you on how to install your own. Let me uninstall, so that I can install it back. God help me. This app is something else, but God help me. So once you have gotten your Bazaar app, you now click on it. If you click on it, you see it's not showing English. It's not showing English at all. So just search PhotoG. Remember that shape I gave you? That is what you are going to use to know it. PhotoG. Search. Without if you are looking for PhotoG, you no go see. But remember this sign. You can see it. This sign, you can see it here. So you just click on it. This thing is already installed, so click on it. So it's installing. The app is not English, so even if you search online, this is a very big secret, but it's well. So install it. After installing it, you can say, do you want to install this PhotoG app? Say yes, install. So it's installing. So you can now open your PhotoG. allow access. So click on English. Click on English. So let's check whether the app is already there. I deleted it that time, so it's here already. So when you want to do your 3D mockup, just go there, click on English to understand what is showing me. Go back. Okay. So just when it's showing you that English, just do as if you go back. I just went to back and I saw it. So when you want to turn to, go and eat now. I'm doing something, please. Go and eat first. I'm coming. I'm busy. I'm doing a lesson. Go, I'm coming. So when you open your PhotoG, you can see it PhotoG. So go to new project. When you go to new project, you can see stickers. Click on stickers. Then insert from gallery. Select it. Not with crop. Select without crop. Select the image. So you go to Pixel Lab. Let's select this first one that has black. So you can see that the thing looks small, right? So you just go to size. See size here. See size. See size. Size is here. Select size. Let's go back again. So it's I've already selected size. So increase it. So now that you have resized it, you can see these 3 dots at your right hand. Click there. Convert to 3D mockup. You click there. It's not even in English. Just this place that is green, just select it. So you can now scroll. When you are choosing your 3D background, you should consider the color you use on your design. Consider it. So that should be your main priority, because that will determine how the outcome will be. So that background, you know that our design has black, that the phone number and other things is on black. You understand? The phone number and the Instagram link is on black. So if you choose this one now, it will not be nice. It will not turn out well. You will never see anything. So you can see, let's choose this one. This, I love 3D. So let's choose this background because it has white background. It can be good on that particular one. So make sure the background you are choosing will accommodate your design color. That is actually what I'm trying to say. So click on this blue, not on the pink or red. Click on the blue. You can try to design with other backgrounds and see how they look. They don't charge you for anything, so just try.
آقا انگشتت خسته نشد انقدر تپ کردی.
So allow this advert
بیا تو بازی
to
تازه
finish.
هم بازی کن حالشو ببر هم با 865,000 کاریزما کوین آیفون 13 جایزه ببر.
تازه تر نصب کن توی تورنمنت ها شرکت کن و فقط باید از طریق فروشگاه داخل بازی میتونی در لحظه کوین هاتون به جایزه دلخواهی تبدیل So as you allow the adverts to finish, your logo will get generated. If you don't allow this first advert to finish, it will not generate any logo. You have to start afresh again. So click on this X to close it. So sometimes they have technical issues. Showing me English again. Showing me English. So let me just go back and start again. So just add the, I think they usually do it intentional so that you watch their ad. But nevertheless, so click on sticker, click on gallery, click on crop, bring in your design again, click on it. So when you click on it, you resize it, increase the size. Make sure the size is not cut off, the design is not cut off for any reason. Reduce it more, adjust it. So you go to your 3D. I've done it before. Select 3D logo, click on it, choose you can choose any background, but consider the color you use on your designing. Okay, any design can go, but consider the color. I'm using this color based on the color I use on my write-ups.
مشکل عزیزم آقا تا حالا دیدی جایی برای بازی کردن تلویزیون جایزه بدن؟ خدایی دیدی؟ همین الان گلشیفته رو نصب کن و از تلویزیون 50 اینچ سام تا گوشی سامسونگ هر چی میخوای جایزه ببر. گلشیفته محبوب ترین بازی پازلیه، بالاترین امتیاز رو از نظر کاربران داره.
این بازی هم داستان داره، هم کلی معمای پازل داره، هم داستانای جذاب و باحال اونجوری داره. و نکته مهمش اینه هر ماه داره جایزه‌های میلیونی میده. یعنی هم بازی میکنی هم جایزه میبری. خدایی دیگه از یه بازی فکری خوب چی میخواد؟ برو کف.
So now it's done. It's done. So let me close it. So let's wait for it. So once it writes successful, send to server, click on this side, this to your right hand side. So you wait for it. Close this that showed up. So let's wait for it to download. Are you okay? So I'll come back to it. By that time it must have downloaded. Just watch the ones I've done so far. So now it's ready. can see it is ready. So you can see the ones I've been doing, I did today. You can see the one I did now. It's ready now. So for you to download it, don't go to remove mockup. Once you click remove mockup, it's off. You start again, but just go to this black one. Click there. As soon as you click there, it will automatically download into your system. So let's look for it to know whether it's there. Let's go and look for it in our photo. So you can see it that is here. You can see it. It looks small, right? Don't worry, we'll make it bigger. So let's go back to our Pixel Lab to enlarge it. Let's go back to our Pixel Lab. Search for your Pixel Lab. Just ignore, just click on plus gallery. So you click on it. It's small, but we can make it big. You just click on good, then draw it, carry it back. It was here, right? I didn't say adjust, I just say carry it back, carry it up like this. Then click on this adjustment, draw it, expand it because you want it to look big. As you're expanding it, you carry it out. You can see it. Let's reduce it small. Let's reduce it small. So this is our 3D logo. You can see it. So if you want to save it as project, you can save it. If you want to save it, so I'm saving as image. Let it go to my gallery. It's going to my gallery.
This woman just got divorced, and she is so happy. But the one thing she doesn't realize is her loser husband actually has other identities. He's secret.
So it has already been downloaded. You can go and share it with your customer. You can share it with your customer. It's already there. So let's look for it. Photo. So just click it. You can see it. So this is our 3D mockup logo. You can design it with any background you want, but what determines the background is the color of the product. That is the color of the product. So that is it. So just go ahead and learn it. Ask me a question anywhere that is possible. If there is none, so use your own image. You can use whatever you have with you then and create your own 3D mockup and submit it tomorrow. But if you have any question, I'm still open for questions.